I'm Jack here at Kooks Headers in Statesville, North Carolina. I'm here with Brandon, who just purchased a set of our catback exhaust system for the new 2015 Mustang in gorgeous competition orange. Brandon, is it your first time using Kooks products?
It is, and I've been very, very impressed.
How do you feel about the actual sound of just the catback system itself?
It sounds really, really well for just a simple catback exhaust system. It sounds great. It's by far the best exhaust system I've ever had for my 15 Mustangs I've had.
I'd also like to ask you, how do you feel about the quality of the system?
It's great, phenomenal, love it.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much for choosing Kooks Headers, and Brandon, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's only just begun. Don't tell me our youth is running out. It's